I like to make my half square triangles from squares. I feel like it's a very accurate way of doing things because the bias can be a little stretchy. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your background fabric and you're going to draw a line from point to point on the wrong side. And then you're going to be able to layer this right sides together. We're going to pretend that that line is the edge of the fabric. So when we sew down, we're going to sew all the way down the one side. Then we're going to flip it around and we're going to sew all the way down the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line the edge of my ruler up with that first seam, and I should be right at 1/2 inch or ideally a little bit less. All right, so now I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to line it up on that line that I drew, and I'm just going to cut straight down it. 99% of the time, I'm going to press my seams open. Your most important line to pay attention to is the 45-degree line on your ruler. You want that to be right on the seam. Once I have everything where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and give that a trim. We're going to go ahead and flip that around, and this time I'm going to line everything up so that way I've got my 3.5 exactly on the edges. And now we're going to slice off this section here. Do not skip the trimming step. Don't make the mistake of thinking, oh, I'm fine, it won't be a big deal, because this is a very different size block than this one. You're just gonna have more issues. So take the time, do it.